Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable 120Hz refresh rate in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to settings and here scroll it down. As you guys see, we have option of display and brightness. So just click here. As you see, we have screen refresh rate. So just click here and we guys have three options: 60 Hz, 90 Hz and 120 Hz. If you want to set it to 90 Hz, you can enable it, and if you want to set it to 120 Hz, just select 120 Hz. And also, if you want to auto switch refresh rate, you can click on auto switch so that your refresh rate will be changed automatically by screen. So this is how we can enable 90 Hz and 120 Hz refresh rate in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.